So in previous times you've seen my vlogs on this GoPro, of course, but I've had to use the internal microphones. But this time what I did was I got an external microphone, and this is the Edutige ETM-001, so that's EDUTIGE, ETM-001, and here I'll just show you what the little thing looks like. As you can, excuse me, as you can see, it's a tiny little microphone just attached to this 3.5mm to USB Type-C adapter, because the GoPro itself does not have a headphone input or a 3.5mm input, so you have to use some sort of an adapter to do that, and it's just this black little thing here. This is an omnidirectional microphone, so that means that it will pick up sound from everywhere, regardless of which orientation the camera or the microphone is facing. And so I'll just demonstrate a little bit here by turning the camera around and sort of give you an unintended tour of my room. So as you can see, I mean, it's picking up everything around, maybe a little bit of a traffic sounds outside and what have you. And oops, oh my goodness, how silly. Why do you want to look at my bed? But yeah, that's basically it. I also got one of these things. This is a deadcat for wind reduction, or wind muff if you prefer, for outdoor use. Obviously I don't need this indoors, but I will try this out very soon outdoors, try the microphone out outdoors with the deadcat and see how much of the wind noise it actually blocks and how much of the surrounding noise it picks up, along with me talking directly into the microphone, or talking directly into the camera in this case, as it were. So yeah, that's basically it. And when I do the outdoor test, then I'll catch you then.
So I don't know, people.
Wind test, speaking in my normal voice. There's a lot of noise around, probably a lot of feedback being picked up. See how much of my voice it picks up with all this noise. And let's see here. Just to test this out with wind, with sound. Excuse me, yeah, so I am using the ETM-001 again with the deadcat attached to it, just to see how that works out. Just walking along, what is this? Oxley, no, this is Charlotte. Oxley's back there somewhere. Just walking along. It's going up to Adelaide. Going to Adelaide Street. Turn the camera around. Hello. Just on my lunch break right now, so I thought I'd record a little sample. Why not? Why the heck not? Oops. Nope, not going to cross the street. Just go this way. And just keep going this way. It does get pretty windy in downtown Toronto, as you can probably see. Perfect place to test. Perfect place to test this microphone out. See how well it works. Just going up to... Man, there's so many people who jaywalk in this city, it's not even funny. Honestly. Just going up to... What is this? Spadina Avenue? It's the 510 streetcar. Excuse me.
Oh my god, how are you?
So again, you should be picking up quite a bit of surrounding noise, quite a bit of traffic noise, but hopefully the deadcat is blocking out most of the wind, and that's primarily what I'm testing here. And of course I'm speaking into the microphone, see how much of my voice it's picking up. with all this surrounding noise, that the ETM-001 again is an omnidirectional mic. Thank you. It's an omnidirectional mic. It does pick up all kinds of sounds from around. Head back towards King Street West. Head back to King Street West. There's the 510. Heading towards, sorry. 510, heading towards wherever. I think Union Station maybe, or Queen's Quay. One of those two. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think that should do it for now, as far as the test is concerned. So thanks so much, and let me know what you think. See you in the next one.